Welcome to Freezelle, your calm and practical guide to freezing food the right way. Your freezer can do so much more than just hold leftovers. It can help you cook smarter, waste less, and keep food fresh for months. In this video, we'll explore 7 simple freezer hacks that make everyday cooking easier and a lot more satisfying. Let's unlock the power of your freezer. Yes, with the right techniques, you can freeze almost anything. Fruits, sauces, soups, even cooked meals can stay fresh for months if they're frozen properly. The secret is not just freezing food, but doing it the smart way, with small, simple habits that keep flavor, texture, and freshness alive. In this video, we'll go through 7 freezer hacks that make your everyday cooking faster, cleaner, and much easier. Freezer hacks aren't just about saving space. They're about saving time, money, and energy every day. When you freeze smartly, you waste less and cook faster. Imagine opening your freezer and finding ready-to-use fruits, sauces, or herbs that still taste fresh. It means less stress during busy days, fewer trips to the store, and more moments to enjoy real food at home. With a few clever habits, your freezer becomes more than storage. It becomes your silent kitchen helper. Before you start freezing everything, take a moment to prepare things the right way. Good preparation makes all the difference between food that stays fresh and food that loses its taste. First, always let cooked food cool down before freezing. Putting hot food directly in the freezer creates ice crystals and changes the texture. Second, use airtight containers or reusable silicone bags to protect flavor and avoid freezer burn. Finally, always label each container with the date and name, a small habit that saves you from confusion later. When everything is clean, labeled, and ready, freezing becomes simple, and your freezer stays organized and calm. Now that everything is ready, let's look at 7 simple freezer hacks that can truly change your kitchen routine. Start with herbs. Instead of letting them dry out, chop them and freeze them in olive oil inside ice cube trays. Next, freeze your sauces or soups in small portions. It's much easier to thaw just what you need. For smoothies, prepare fruit mixes in jars or bags, so your breakfast is ready in seconds. If you love bread, freeze slices individually. That way, they never stick together. Cooked rice can also be frozen flat in bags to save space and reheat quickly. You can even freeze cheese after grating it. It melts perfectly later. And finally, don't waste leftover coffee. Freeze it in cubes for quick iced drinks. Small tricks, simple results, and a freezer that truly works for you. Freezing is only half the story. The way you thaw your food matters just as much. The safest way is to let food thaw slowly in the fridge overnight. If you need it faster, place the sealed container in a bowl of cold water for a few minutes. Never leave frozen food on the counter for hours. It changes texture and can become unsafe. Once thawed, use your food within a day or two and never refreeze it again. Handle your frozen meals gently, and they'll taste just as fresh as the day you made them. Your freezer can be more than storage. It can be your quiet partner in the kitchen. With a few simple habits, you can save time, reduce waste, and always have fresh food ready to enjoy. Remember, freezing smartly means living calmly, with less stress and more good meals. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more calm, educational food guides. Thanks for watching, and stay fresh with Freezelle.